Third quoted statement. I don't know why I'm downloading these things, but do not worry. This is how God works in my life. Now, you were told before by many people and many prophecies that, by the way, you Kenyans, you ignore a lot of stuff. Sorry about my camera. You ignore a lot of stuff until someone somewhere messes up. That is when you start waking up. I wish I knew. I wish I was told. Well, as for me, do not say you wish you never knew, because you already attacked me. This content I'm posting, the Holy Spirit has put words in my mouth to say, I am the same guy that when I speak, things shift. Even a radio of yours can just shut down. If you have an activated demon in you, that demon awakens. I am this guy that the devil has been following with his entire army all my life. And I'm also this same guy who's a threat to all the Masons and dark practitioners, all of you. They know who I am. In 2025, you were told about the shifts happening that are going to bring a lot of things. You know, you never believed it. Just like Noah did, he just asked you, can you assist me in building an ark for you, because rain is coming? No one believes until when the ark was ready. Just like it was ordered, I am also here to tell you, you called God. He already put his own here. This is the guy that when I live next to you, you'll want to bring even the slightest thing of yours next to me. Why? Because my energy generates in everything. You'll create a delusion inside your head that I'll use this to control him so that he won't move. That moment has gone, surpassed. I'm not here to please any human. I'm here to work for human. Let me put it this way so that maybe you'll understand. In the book of Ezekiel, it says, they will ask you, who are you? Now, here's the answer. I am me. You can go check in the book of Ezekiel. It's there. Well, I'm sorry if I've mentioned your name somewhere, but it's time. For those people who have seen me walking around with I carry a certain light, same as the light Jesus was having. I am not Jesus. Do not misquote me. I respect that name very much. I also contain healing, including sexual healing, that by the way women are misusing. I am a threat to the dark world, and I'm a blessing to the light world. I have gone through things. If you want to know who I am, go and check these titles on YouTube called The Chosen One. All those instructions you see there, those people saying tarot readers and everybody else, they've been giving someone instructions. Well, today I come out and say that person is me. So if you think the world is there standing waiting for you, I am sorry. It is not. You've heard people saying that the kingdom of the world will begin in Africa. No, it's going to begin in Kenya. You called God. God has answered. You called him. He has answered. I do not want to tell you how many attacks I've been facing. And I can't hold this anymore. I am the Prince of Love. My energy heals you. My words just do miracles. I don't need to have a gathering for me to say be healed. No, whenever I pass, just everything works on depending on who you are, what you contain. But if you tend to tell God, I can be more than him, I'll attack him using my charms and nothing you will do to me. My friend, even the energy I carry will not do anything to you. It will be against you. I expect results. There are people in this world that are put there to assist you to move. That's because of their jealousy. You point your fingers in them. I was dating people previously. They knew something I never knew. They all ended up taking my stuff, and I quote, because of the selfish deeds that somebody paid them. Somebody paid them to get rid of me, so that I'll be broken because they have tried to kill me na imeshindikana. It has not happened. I am the same guy that God protects heavily. Heavily. Have you ever heard the verse, do not touch my anointed one? Don't cause harm to any of my prophets. Let me put it this way. I am the reason why YouTubers put their ads popping up, because they know there's a person that will just pop up. They'll just look at it. They know. They knew even before I knew who I was. I am that guy. So whenever I speak something, trust me, it will happen. I am not everybody else who's looking for money. In fact, if I've done something good to you or your life, I don't need your payment. Just keep it. You could, and you gave them up. I do it. Let me be honest. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. I just do. Because I'm meant to share love to you. Not the other love you think of, the other one. That is where the women misquote me. Not the other one. The real, genuine love. Healing comes from the heart, not that other part. I am the guy that when I pass, you'll decide where to touch in my body. Was it your gift to give? Yeah, those gifts I didn't give myself. But be warned. What? You call God. I hold a very high spiritual rank. Higher than you think. I might be young, but I hold a very high spiritual rank. So when I speak something, there's two songs I wrote, Choma Picha and Game Over, Ambia Devo Game Over. Ambia Devo Game Over is my last song. Choma Picha is the first one. Choma Picha, I spoke about preachers pretending to be preachers at night, in the morning and at night going to the bar. And people, I don't just go listen to the song. That song is a reality. Game over, Ambia Devo Game Over. Now, Mwambie Game Over. It means tell him game over. It's time. You're dying, won't do that. But I was supposed to let you walk in there by yourself. Out of the two of us, I'm the one who. It's done. Don't worry about my face. I don't have my phone. It doesn't release camera, the clear camera. But I think there's someone somewhere who wanted to hear this from me. Be very careful and mindful of the people who preach themselves to call themselves pastors, preachers, and whatever it is they are. If I happen to pass next to you, or maybe I've entered your church, do you know who will follow me? A dozen warlocks. They'll be behind my back. They'll want to get what I have. They'll come there. And you just might be one of them. You'll want to do something. You'll not preach because my light will expose you. That is why I don't go to church. Kindly, if you dedicated yourself to serve people, serve people. Serve people. But if you think you can be using or quoting something, I'm sorry for you. Time for you doing miracles that are not there is over. I am the generational curse breaker. Now do not make me come close to you, because God will bring me close to you. When He does, after I've left, you will understand.